morning, my children. How are you all? Okay, you all are great, no? Okay, children. So, children, you have learnt that story about Milo. Okay, so Milo loved to care about the nature. So, see, I have a small kitchen garden. Okay, and it's very small, but I thought of doing this activity sitting here because I'll get the fresh air. Okay, and the very important thing is that I love to be a part of these uh, kitchen garden, and I love to be in the nature, and I love plants also. Okay, so children, I have Shivani ma'am, she has shared a story with you about Milo, but today, seeing the nature, I have an activity for you. So do you want to do it? So let's start. Okay, children, for this activity we need a paper sheet. Okay, sketch pens. Okay, then we need a black bindi. Mama puts black bindi, it must be there. Okay, then a glue. Then what I have done, I have taken a piece of white paper. I don't have red paper. What I have done, I have put the red sketch over it and made it to look just like a red pepper. Okay, then I have cut down two I've taken the white sheet to cut these two circles. Okay, then what to be done by this I will tell you later on. Then I have collected leaves. Okay, it was readily available in my garden, so I have taken these leaves. And your homework is what you know. You have to tell me after the school reopens what is the name of the plant. Okay, from where I have got this leaves, no? So you have to name the plant from where I have got these leaves. See it carefully. Okay. Two other different kinds of leaves also I have taken. See very carefully. Okay, this tree you love the most, and I'm giving you a hint. And a sweet fruit, it gives a sweet fruit which you get only in the season of in the summer season. Okay, okay, so children, let's start doing it. Keep the white paper on a board. First, what you have to do, you have to take a broader leaf. Okay, then you are having utensils at your home, no? Place it over the leaf. Okay, make a mark over the leaf. Okay, then you have to cut it like this. Okay, it's very easy, you all can do. Okay, sitting at home you must be feeling very bored. Okay, so what you can do, you can do a fun activity. See, a circle comes out. Now what you will do, you have to place another container over the lid. Okay, and it should be a little smaller one from this. Okay, see what I am doing. You can take help of your parents, children. Okay. Yes. Now what we will do is, from this we need to draw a bow. A bow. Okay, how you will draw, you see. Make a circle. Make two triangles. Okay, now cut it. See, if you start doing all these things at home, no, you won't feel bored. Okay, and don't always be busy with that mobile phones and that TV and all that. Okay, start doing something different. Okay, see, take another leaf also. Okay, now draw two ovals like this. Okay, you can understand better if I demonstrate and show you. Yes or no, children? अगर आप देखोगे ना, ठीक है, वीडियो देख देख के आप करना, ठीक है, जैसे आप YouTube को बैठ के देखते हो कार्टून वार्टून ना, ठीक उसी तरीके से आप बैठ के इसको देखना ध्यान से, फिर देखना कितना अच्छा चीज़ इससे बन पाएगा. ठीक है, आप क्या करते हैं देखो. विल टेक द ब्रॉडर लीफ फर्स्ट. ओके, पुट सम ग्लू. Put some glue over it. Yes. Now place it here. Okay, let it dry, huh? Then place another smaller circle over it. See. Okay, now what you will do, you have to put, so what we are going to make, we are going to make Milo. Okay, so leftover leaf is there, children. Okay, you can cut like this. Ask your papa and mama. Mama is little bit busy. Ask your papa to help you out. Okay, ask him to cut and give it to you. Only you will paste. Okay, I know that it will be little difficult for you to cut all these things. Okay, so now right now what you will do, you will just put it here. See. Okay, I'm doing little fast. See next what I'm doing. Yes, place it here. Okay, then next place it here. Okay, yes, now the white paper circle balls were there, no? Now we will place it here first. Oh, okay, now what you will do, you will just put the bindi. Bindi is there with mama, no? So just put it here. Okay, see how Milo is looking now. Children, now this bow is also ready. You can place it over here also. So bow we have given to Milo. Okay, now what else? Okay, Milo is having a beautiful nose, so let me cut a piece of nose from this yellow leaf. Okay, and I will place it here. Okay, Okay, my children, the nose is ready. Okay, now what else to be done? Yes, Milo speaks good things, no? So let me make the mouth for Smilo. Milo. So try to be like Milo, children. Okay. He was a very good child, and I am sure that you people are going to be good also. Staying at home. Okay, staying at home and doing good things. Yes or no? Help your parents, okay? At home. Don't always be busy with that mobile phone. Okay. If you will be busy with mobile phones, your eyes will be spoiled. Okay, now children, we are ready with the mouth of Milo. See, for the first time you are doing, it may not look good, but you should keep on trying this. Okay, now the mouth is ready. Now you see how it looks. Yes, Milo was having a very little tail also, children. So let us tail of Milo. Okay, tail of Milo. Now Milo was having a mustache. See. So, so your Milo is ready. Yes. Now Milo loves to eat carrots. You can draw some carrots here. See, for the first time you are doing, it is going to be a little difficult for you, but if you do keep on doing practice, no, you can do it. Okay, children, now you see your Milo is ready. Milo. See, your activity is done, children. You are done with the activity. So children, this is your Milo, and I am sure that you are going to do this activity and love your nature, love your home, stay at home. Bye.